everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to today's video. My name is Kasim. I know you guys probably don't see my face much, but in today's video I decided to show my face. Welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to do a recap of my trade today. Today was a great day in the market. I made about $900 today. The market was really great. I thought let me just jump online really quickly and just explain how I did the trade, so maybe this can help other people that are looking to learn how to trade and all that stuff. So let's just get right into the chart here. Okay, so the main trade that I made today was Amazon. Amazon was one of my big wins today. What happened was that there was an upgrade on it earlier on, and just looking at the chart pattern pre-market, before the market opened, and so when the market opened right here, it literally just signaled me that I should jump into the trade, and that's exactly what I did. I jumped into the trade. It pushed up the first couple of candles here. It pushed up. I sold it right at this top candle, and that's how I was able to close $900 on that trade. I go back into it again. I go back into another trade, but that was a put, and I didn't stay in it long enough. As you can see, the stock end up pushing back down. So I should have really stayed in it and just stick with the trade a little bit longer, but I really didn't stick with the trade a bit longer. I really should have, but you live and you learn. You trade every single day and you learn from your wins and losses and your mistakes. So I just figured let me just jump on here and really show you exactly what I did. So for those of you guys that don't know, I'm really good at using Ichimoku. I did a video on it. I did a video tutorial on that. I'm really good at using Ichimoku. So using Ichimoku and Thinkorswim really helped me with my trade today, because what happened was, as you can see here, in the morning we had a really strong bullish candle, as I was explaining on the TOS just now. We had a really strong bullish candle here, and it pushed up a couple of times. That's what helped me make the $900 that I was talking about. But how did I not wait in this second trade for a long time? I needed to be in this trade for a long time, because if I was in this trade just a little bit longer, I could have been able to take this all the way down, which would have been a bigger gain from what happened here. So next time I'm just going to be a little bit more patient, and I'm just putting it out there for you that you're watching. If you're trading as well, just trying to be a little bit patient with your trade sometimes. But yeah, I just thought let me point this out to you. Hope this video has helped you out. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more content like this as I go along. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna sort everything out. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel here. I really have a lot planned for this YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day. I really hope you've been enjoying all the contents that you've been watching on my channel so far. If you are new to my channel and you haven't been seeing my content, my name is Kasim. I'm a dividend investor, and I'm also a day trader. I day trade stocks.